I'm getting some noodles for the way because I haven't had breakfast and I love having this in the morning. Use hot water like every other noodle because these are just noodles. For those that don't like spicy food, these are non-spicy beef flavor. Do you also want another one? So right now it's around 5:20 in the morning and I'm so sleepy. I want to go back home and sleep, but anyway, we have to shoot content, and I think this year I want to try to be consistent in what I do. Of course, I started late, but I really want to be consistent in most of my things, and I hope it will work out for me. So what happens with some tickets, there's some tickets that require you to go and collect the actual physical ticket, the paper ticket, but then for some you just use your information. You don't need to go and collect the ticket from the counter. So that's our case right now, and our oh my god, our train leaves at 6:13, so we are on time. Right over here you look for the train number. So we are now on board and our seat numbers are opposite each other, so we decided to just sit together until the person who's in charge of the seat comes here to occupy their seat. Hopefully they'll be convinced to switch seats, but anyway, we are waiting to depart. Right now it's 5:42. Our train is supposed to leave at 6:13, so yeah, and it's super cold in here, super cold. What's up everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm in Shijiazhuang, and we're at a wooden company that sells wooden doors. Mostly they have different types of wooden material. They have melamine, they have PVC, and they have HPL, which is fire resistant. I'll show you a sample in this sample room for their melamine doors. So this is one style that they have over here. It is more sophisticated and simple. This is another one, but with a layer of a certain type of plastic type. Is really nice and also sophisticated. If you come closer, you get to realize that these doors are very smooth in their crafting, and the melamine is very smooth as well. So from what I've been told, melamine is mostly recommended for countries which are very hot because it doesn't change form in terms of the formation of the door. It is heat resistant as well, even if it is affected by the sun or whatsoever. Compared to PVC, PVC is not recommended for countries that have too much heat. So this is the best recommendation for your hotels, for your houses, for your offices. Very good material, and this material also can be used for walls. It can be used as wallpapers. It can be used as cardboard covers. It can be used as office furniture, back cupboards. And also this is another layer. They can style it in different ways and different styles. And if you come also closely, this is also the melamine that they use for the wall from up to down. So it's not wallpaper, but also melamine. I will go to another sample factory with you guys so that I can show you the PVC and also the HPL. So for all their doors, for all their wooden doors, they have different weights. So this is another color plate palette. So this one is mainly for painted doors. Like I mentioned, all their painted doors are non-scented. The paint doesn't have a funny smell like the paint smell that we're used to. So if you look closely on this one, it has a little bit of shimmer and white crafts going on there. It's very nice and so beautiful. And this one as well, it looks like just mere wood, which is slightly painted. And these are all plain colors. These over here look so natural, but they're all painted. These are color plates. This is a color plate book for you to see the different colors that they offer. And each color has a certain type of style that it has on it. So you can request for a different type and style of your choice. So as you can see, there are different shades of grays over here, from the light tone to the darker one. This as well. So if you check closely, these are a little bit of the U shape, and these are straight. They have straight lines, fine lines all the way down, and these are broken lines, as you can see. And then this also has a different style. This is just plain gray. They also offer white. And one thing that they specified to me is when they paint the melamine, the paint is not smelly. So their door paints are not smelly. Their door paints are just clear and also non-scented. So these are more options. So right now we are preparing to go to the manufacturing factory, their factory, so that we can get to see and experience the whole production process from when the door is just the wood until it is a finished product. So hopefully we'll get there on time and we get to see the whole production process, and I can show it to you guys and get a few explanations and also sample the HPL door, which is fire resistant. Okay. We've just arrived at the factory, and this side is another factory building, but also it has their offices upstairs. And this side is the production factory where everything happens from the primary production to the finished good. So let's check it out. Right here we have a batch of HPL wall tiles. They call them wall boards or wall tiles, even though they're made from HPL. The HPL, if you remember very well, is the one that I mentioned that it's fire resistant, and this batch is preparing to be shipped to Thailand. So this is around 4,000 of these. They have another pile over there. For each carton, they have 200 pieces. So 200, 200, 200, 200, and 200 until as much as you want. Okay, so yeah. So over here we have the precision saw. This saw has 4 blades. These blades are mainly known for having an accurate cut. So the cut so accurate, that's why they're used and recommended. So for this machine, you can put 4 doors each. So that's mainly how it works. And these are ventilation tunnels. They're used to take away all the sawdust and just vaporize it. So that's mainly what it's used for. Right over here we have the PVC edge bending machine. So normally it's used to bend the PVC doors. The edge bending process, it's all done over here. Unfortunately, we cannot connect it right now because it has a specific person that has to connect the machine, and that person is not here at the moment to operate the machine for us. But apparently this is the whole machine from this side. Actually, it starts from this side until it goes that side. So the door comes in a vertical manner this side. Over here we have the PVC rolls right here. These are all PVC rolls waiting to be put on together with the door. And this here is the board. It's just a mere board. You take this board and you put it on this machine. So this machine is called the film suction machine, the blister film suction blister machine. So we put the board over here together with the PVC, and it goes through this place, and inside here where it is put together is called film suction blistering machine. So it's a suction process, and then this will be the last part where the whole board will be together with the PVC. Then we get our PVC boards that we'll put on our doors. I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but this is a cladding machine or laminating machine. For those that would want to know more about these machines, you can go and research more, but that's the name of the machine. Very nice and also big. Right over here we have all the finished products. These are door frames according to your order. The places over here. So right here we have domestic orders and international orders. So there's sectioned according to each order number, the color, the type, and the material. And that's it for today. We're heading back to our city, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Hopefully I'll be in another city showing you guys more business ideas and machines so that you guys can buy or have business partners to cooperate with.